Oh wow, Spider-Man. Yeah, I've got this ping pong table. And we had a house fire, so the whole bloody house burnt down. It was absolutely hectic. But nobody got hurt, so that's good. Now, see these hinges on this ping pong table? This one's okay. And this one's okay. But these ones, the top ones, they didn't survive. See, they got melted and they're all F-U-C-K-E-D. So, I print them. So just drawing it up real quick. There's a couple of little things there to make it stronger. Little triangle things. I drew it up on Tinkercad. Took me like 3 minutes. Not very hard to do. That one I haven't finished putting on. I'll finish putting that on in a minute. There's the ping pong table. Let's get through here. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh. See, look at it. This hinge, screwed. So I need 2 more hinges there. That one's okay. That one's okay. It's only 4 hinges, yeah, to finish this job. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the ping pong table will be back in working condition after a bit of Jif, soap, and a rag or something like that. Give it a bit of a clean, it'll be all good. Now, I'll show you this. So you got things like this Creality MK3S. It's got the that screen on there. What's the screen called? Sonic Pad Touch or something? Yeah, good for the amount of money you spend. But you want something that just prints forever and ever. I just got it sitting on top of these bloody dryers. It's got a bloody washing machine, dryers. So what I did, I got some Celastic silicone, stuck it there, and stuck some back there. Then I got some white one hanging around. You stuck some there, there, all along in here. I know it's a bit there, but like, you know, it all sticks together. And then I did the same with the bottom dryer, stuck it all to the floor. So like, you know, when it's printing quite fast, or when it dries, spinning, it doesn't shake and it'll fall, you know, it'll fall apart. So it's all stuck together, stuck to the floor, stuck to them two. And then this one, I got the filament. I got these little roller things. It came with a, oh man, what do they call those printers I bought? Anyway, I'll never fucking remember. But these old printers I bought a while ago. These roller things you can put your filament on. You can print them and just print the rollers and put some bearings in there, or just have it running on just a plastic shaft if you want. Let's stuck that down. That can't go anywhere. And stick the printer down. But you can just, you know, get scissors and peel that off if you want to move the printer. But this is a prusa. It's printing 4 hinges. So I've had this printer for a while. This printer cost like, I don't know, almost $2,000. It was like $1,500, $1,700, maybe $1,300. I can't remember. But I bought it, right? And it was already put together because I bought it second hand. I didn't even buy it new, but it was new. It's just the guy who had it had some business where he only would deal with prusa. He wouldn't buy any other 3D printer, just these, and you put them together, and then he'd bloody make his things that he sold or something, and then he'd flog them off after 1 year of use or something like that, which is ridiculous because you buy a prusa and they last for a lifetime. You just got to change a few things here and there because nothing lasts forever. And a prusa lasts forever if you just look after it. But that goes the same with everything. But if you're going to look after anything, when it comes to 3D printers, you look after one of these. MK3S or something, I think it's called. It's like, you know, this standard one, the one that everybody knows about. The prusa. Now when I want to print something, if you throw the file on an SD card, bang it in the side of there's the SD card, and hit run, this fucking printer will just do it. Won't fuck up. It won't be some issue. It'll just make whatever you're wanting to make and make it good. It'll be strong. Won't be fuck ups like the surface looks crap. You know, it's not the best looking printer in the world because it's getting quite old now. But I'd prefer to have a printer that fucking makes the thing when I come back the next day and makes it good and strong than not. And this prusa is always, never not, always made fantastic prints. It's a fucking good machine. So if you got the money, or you find one second hand, just buy one. You just buy that, and then you have that for the rest of your life. Oh well, I don't know. Soon they'll be able to click your fingers, and it'll just magically appear. All these prints. It won't even take a second. It'll just be there instantly. That's what the future will be like. But for the moment, you buy a prusa. MK3S. Where does it say? It says there. See, I had that filament right up on top of there, but then it got jammed. So I was like, oh, fuck that. So I got them out with the drawer. Yeah. So once they're done, I'll put them on the ping pong table. And that'd be good. You see what you could do with a 3D printer? These hinges, what, can you buy them? Nah, probably not. If you can. Or, what, 2 weeks? A month? From China? Fuck that. You have a 3D printer, you can just make it. Make anything. Fucking anything. Gear. Little gear in that bloody washing machine. I accidentally spray painted it when I was outside for spraying something else. Should get that paint off. But this bloody washing machine, what is it? Freaking yeah, Simpson. This washing machine was like $1,000. It was freaking expensive. It was more than that probably. It's a big washing machine. She likes a washing machine, but it fucked up. Why the fuck up? Because everything fucks up these days, because everything's shit. But I couldn't get the part for it. It was like this little plastic thing in there. So guess what? I fucking made it! And now it works again. Oh look, see? Where did it say? There it is. Where are you? This is up there. Hey, this bed's been put on back to front. That was a fucking silly thing to do. I'm dumb. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It's just upside down. You gotta turn that around that way. Anyway, toodaloo.